Knowing the right way to iron different types of clothes will make ironing much easier and faster. Let us teach you the proper ways to iron each type of clothing. Most t-shirts don't need ironing, but if yours seem a little wrinkly, here's the quickest way to do it. Start with both sides of the sleeves. Then straighten out the collar. And lastly, both sides of the body. Hang it up after you iron so it can air out the heat and stay neat. For a dress shirt, start from the collar. Then shoulders, cuffs and sleeves, front and the bottom panel, and lastly, back. If you need to pack it for travel, fold like this. Make sure it's buttoned up and laid flat. Fold the sleeves across the back. Fold the sleeves up so the cuff reach the collar. Fold the sides and make them meet in the middle. Fold in 3. Extra tip: place a rolled belt in the collar to keep it in shape. For dresses, start off with collar and sleeves. If your dress has delicate areas like this, cover it with a cloth to prevent it from getting damaged by direct heat. Then move on to the body of the dress. Lastly, straighten out the hems. To pack an iron dress, here's how to fold it with less wrinkles. Lay it flat and fold it in half. Cross the sleeves over and fold it in half like so. Fold the dress from the middle and roll. Skirts will be similar to a dress, just without the body, so start with the waistband. Handle the pleats and gathers, if any, starting from the front then back. Move down to the hem and finish off any extra details like the pockets. If any, hang skirts with clips so that it doesn't stretch out the material. To fold it, fold towards the center. Fold from the middle, then fold it in half. To iron pants, start from the waistband. Pleats at the hip area. Then one side of the leg, front and back. Do the same for the other side. Here's a trick to hang your pants up without ruining the waistband or it sliding off the hanger. Start by laying your pants flat like this. Place hanger between the bottom of the legs. Bring the hanger to the middle. Pull up and fold in the pant leg. Bring the other pant leg over the hanger and let it sit. This will secure the pants on the hanger while keeping it wrinkle-free. Ensure that your iron is at the right settings for the right type of material. Otherwise, it might cause damage. To make things easier, sort your clothes by fabric type and iron accordingly so you don't have to continuously adjust the settings as you iron. Turn delicate fabrics like silk inside out when you iron to prevent potential or accidental damage. Never leave the iron face down. Always let your iron cool down for 10 minutes before keeping it away. This is to prevent any fire hazards. Like this video if you find these ironing tips useful. Thanks for watching!